The NBA's Dallas Mavericks now accepts Dogecoin for tickets and merchandise. Now, in a report in the New York Times, the NBA's Dallas Mavericks announced that they are accepting Dogecoin as a form of payment for game tickets and Mavericks merchandise. From the article, Mark Cuban said that the basketball team decided to accept Dogecoin, quote, because we can. You gotta like that. He went on to say, quote, sometimes in business you have to do things that are fun, close quote. When he asked if people don't know what Dogecoin is, the Mavericks owner said, quote, we strongly encourage you to talk to your teenagers who are on TikTok and ask them about it. They will be able to explain it all to you, close quote. So, the billionaire owner of the Mavericks has been a Dogecoin fan for some time. Back in February, he had mentioned the Dogecoin to a Forbes reporter. And this tweet, he said, when a Forbes reporter asked me about Dogecoin and whether it's a bad look for crypto when people are buying it, he said this. No, it's not a bad look. Dogecoin is less than a dime. You can buy $1 worth or $10 worth and have fun watching it all day, every day, literally. And I say this with all seriousness, it's the best entertainment bang for your buck available. I bought a few dollars worth for my son, and we watch it and discuss its price movements and why they occur. It's fun, it's exciting, and educational for them. Some of his friends have gotten into it as well. That's not to say it has any intrinsic value. It doesn't. But so what? It gives you a better chance of winning than a lottery ticket while teaching the economics of supply and demand and introducing people to crypto assets. I truly love it as the lowest cost economics teaching tool. That is from the owner of the Dallas Mavericks. And now the Mavericks is a place that you can go and spend your Dogecoin on tickets and merchandise. No word on if you can use Dogecoin to buy yourself a beer. I would assume that that's coming, but a great thing for those in the Dallas area to go and use their Dogecoin at a Mavericks game.